In this very short video we are going to try to understand what cryptocurrency is and why you should trade it. But before we start, I just want to clarify, this is not a financial advice, so don't take it like one, and take it as an educational video. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized form of digital currency, inaugurated by some person or some organization, but owned by the buyer or holder, and there's no one to refer to if you lose it. Cryptocurrency uses blockchain system. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions. The name comes from its structure, in which individual records, called blocks, are linked together in single list, called a chain. Blockchains are used for recording transactions made with cryptocurrencies. There is no regulating authority which defines as to who shall get how much of a cryptocurrency and why. And this is the major reason why governments and banks have an issue with the use and promotion of crypto among people. Buying and selling crypto depends on your financial conditions. You can buy as long as and as much as you can afford it. It can be bought or sold through crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, BISQ and Binance, etc. There are pros and cons of each exchange. We will discuss them in upcoming videos. Now comes the question, why trade crypto even when it is so risky? There are basically three reasons for keeping cryptocurrencies. 1. Making profits. 2. Securing your savings and money from thefts and increasing its value with the passage of time. 3. Going digital in currencies for the ease of transactions, like sending, receiving money worldwide, and/or buying or selling goods or services and making monetary transactions through a secure payment method. Now we know the basics of crypto. We will go through these three reasons for trading crypto in detail in upcoming videos. So subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss when we will upload these videos.